Auburn's upcoming men's basketball trip to Israel is being met with backlash from a Muslim rights group. The Tigers are scheduled to play 3 exhibition games against Israeli teams this week. Since then, the Council on American Islamic Relations called on the athletic department to cancel the trip or at least meet with, quote, ordinary Palestinians without Israeli handlers to discuss what they call the realities of Israel apartheid. Auburn coach Bruce Pearl, who is Jewish, is already planning to have lunch with the coach of the Palestinian team.